Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Inovio Pharmaceuticals, and I have been discussing this stock in the last couple of weeks or months or so. And if you can see here that from the highs of $33 on the upside, it has fallen down sharply because of some that is not fundamental related but basically news based, and after that the stock is trying to make a base formation. So I have already spoken lots of time that it is trying to the chances are it is trying to create a base and probably it will move higher. The only thing is the timing. So that's the one thing that nobody can pick one right time for each and everything. So that is the only thing. If somebody is well known about time prediction, that's a different thing. But there is nothing as such called time prediction or something. So what one can do here is just stick with the trend, and here the trend is very clear that probably it is trying to create a base over here. So we are going to discuss about all of this, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now here one can see, okay, so here is your trend, and what you can see here is something like this. So you have your first support at 11.19, then you have your next support at 10.47, then you have 9.68, and finally you have 9.34. So because the stock has been moving inside a trading range, that's why I have said that for the lower end of the trading range 9.34 will be enough, and if the stock falls below 9.34 then it would be a problem. So 9.34 will be your last sort of support, and if things goes bad and if it falls below 9.34, then obviously you need to move out from the trend or the trade. Now on the upside what you have is your first target or resistance at $13.8, then you have 15.39, then finally you have a range which will be in between 18 and 18.67 on the upside. Now if the stock sustain above that, okay, so if the stock sustain above 18 or 18.67, then or $19 probably, then there is a fair possibility that it could move towards the higher end of the range, which will be in between 28 and probably 31 to $34, $31, which was its previous high. So this is about the current trend. Now one more important pattern which has developed in this particular trend, let me show you. But before that, I'm just removing this line. So what you need to do, if you want to look at it, just please go back in the video a bit and you can check all these lines. Otherwise, if I keep this line intact, it will be hard to identify, or and that won't look good. That's why let me just remove this line. So if you look at this trend, what you will find is a kind of head and shoulder pattern. That's why I told you that this level, this 9.57 or 9.34 is a very important zone. Okay, so here you have, this zone is very important. Actually it goes down to 8.9, because if you look at this trend, what you will find here is this is a kind of your shoulder. Okay, then you have your another shoulder like this, and then you have your head like this. Okay, so you have your trend like this. Now if the stock falls below this range, or probably 8.9, there is a fair amount of chance that the stock could go much lower from the current level. Okay, so that's the only caveat you need to look at, because if the stock falls below this level, I mean 8.9, then obviously all trend will break and the stock may fall on the downside. But as the trend looks, because it is taking support at some level and it's not falling below that, so that's why it gives you much more confident that probably in the short term, or let's if you have a positional kind of call, and if the support level which I have already explained you, multiple support level, if that holds, then obviously we are going to look at uh, price which is higher than the current level. Now there is one more way to look at it. Now here you have, if you want to look at it, there is one more way. So this is a triangle kind of formation which one could see in this trend, and here you have that. Okay, so one can check that you have your, if somebody is very risk averse, then you can consider 10.32 will be your last support. Okay, if the stock falls below 10.32, then you will probably move out from the trend. Otherwise, what one can look at will be a target or resistance at 14.64 on the higher side. Now 14.64 is the resistance level. So if it hits the resistance level and falls back, and then obviously it will hit on that line on the 10.32 or 10.51. But in any case, this line shouldn't be broken. But in case if the stock moves above 14.64 or $15 and sustain over there, then the next resistance or target will be around 18.85, which I have already explained you. And if the stock sustain or make a breakout above $19, then there is a fair amount of chance that it may go up to its previous higher levels, which will be in between 27, 28 to 31 or $33 on the upside. So these are the levels which one need to look at. So there are multiple things which are going on. It is up to you. I have already explained three ways with which you can analyze this chart. So one through the pattern, that head and shoulder pattern, one through this current triangle kind of formation, and one by using straight lines. So it is up to you how you want it and how you want to look at it, which way is more comfortable to you. But in any ways, you will find some good support which the stock has indeed found and worked on it. So if the support holds, okay, if the support level holds, obviously it is bound to go higher, but with a caveat that you should not keep a measurable time and put on it that this is the way I want to look at it, and I have this much hours of this or these many days in my hand. So this is not the way. Okay, if you have any positional call, you can go with it. And most importantly, if the support level breaks, then obviously one should not carry any kind of position. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.